What's up, my friend DK here? Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into not only myEcon, but specifically the funnel team, also known as TFT, when combined with myEcon, why we duplicate so well. And specifically, I want to highlight something in this video that, I want you to understand one of the most valuable resources for myEcon that you could possibly have, or well, let's call it any digital business that's out there, any business that you are trying to grow from home. One of the most valuable resources that you could have is live, ongoing training, a community, a place to go, a reference point, some place that you can go where you can surround yourself with people just like you. And that's, to be honest with you, that's one of the things that makes our team, I don't want to say, the most dynamic, but I would say more dynamic than most teams or most other businesses, companies, affiliate or network marketing opportunities that are out there right now in 2025 or just for years. Is most of these, especially when it comes to things like affiliate marketing, you basically just get dumped into a system, you become a number, and then that's really it. You don't really have a community, a place that you could go where you can plug in, you can ask questions, you can get answers, you can be in there with people that are just like you that are trying to get results. And I've been part of some of these communities, and it's very, very difficult for a person to achieve success if they don't feel like they're being supported. Okay. So the main reason for this video, if you're looking to get started with myEcon, if you're wondering, hey, what is the difference between, joining Daniel and the funnel team versus joining somebody else in myEcon? Will you get training and support? And although I can't answer that 100%, I can't tell you what you will and won't get if you join somebody else's team. I can tell you 100% what you will get with our team. And I have so many other videos on this. I have other playlists that I've done. I'll put a link in the description down below for the other playlists that I have that walk you through literally everything that you get by joining our team, all of your funnels and everything, which is all here inside of this team training site. But the one specific thing that I want to focus on right here in this video, I'm going to dive into right now. Okay, so if you are looking at myEcon, whether you're just looking to make a few bucks, you're looking to make and save more money utilizing the myEcon products and services, you're checking out the funnel team and just wondering, like, what is this team all about? Like, what do they really represent? Will they be able to help me get results online with myEcon or whatever it is? So we're going to highlight a couple of main things here. So once you get started with me or anybody on the funnel team, you're going to get access to this team training site that you see right here on your screen. You also get this in the form of an app. It's the same exact thing. It's just an app form. So this is where you have literally everything you need to run your myEcon business. Okay. And that's really what the funnel team is all about. We take you from scratch. If you've never done this sort of thing before, we show you exactly what to do and how to do it, how to start promoting. Yes. Even if you have no followers on social media, you don't have to pitch in friends and family. You don't have to worry about starting from zero because everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. Do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to stay struggling? Do you want to stay using the same excuse over and over again? Like, how long do you want to lean on that crutch of, I don't have a lot of followers? Do something about it. Okay. Stop the excuses. Use something that's proven and documented to work. Okay. So right down here in your bonuses section. Okay. Let me show you this. This is where we offer literally, and it's documented and proven, and I'll hit the link in the description down below. I'll show you my full overview that it's documented well over $10,000 in value with the system. But even in the bonuses section here alone, there's probably over $3,000-$4,000 in free courses, training systems that you're going to get right here. But one of the things that I want to highlight, okay, is live weekly trainings. Okay. When you go into live weekly trainings, this is where we're going to show you how we literally go live 5 times a week, teaching you, training you, coaching you, educating you, answering your questions, all 5 times a week live. But what's more specific and even more important, okay, is we're going to give you access to all of the training replays. So if you miss a live training, it's 100% okay, because you're going to be able to come here to your team training site. You're going to be able to go into your app and go right here to your bonuses section and access the live training replays anytime you want. Just like, watching Netflix or Hulu or whatever, you're going to be able to do this all on your schedule. So I'll show you how it works here. I mean, you're literally going to access our live training replays. We have it right here, and we just have every single live training that we've done this year, or actually, for last year and this year, all in here. So, and I know it's obviously a lot of information if you're brand new, if you're just catching up. No, 1000%, you do not have to go back and you don't have to watch them all from the beginning. That would just be absolutely crazy. You just want to go through specifically, you want to go through the training that we have here, go set up your app, go start promoting your business, follow the steps here, understand what the process is, get ready for it, start doing it, all of those things, and then start plugging in to our team. You're going to jump over into our Facebook group, okay? So let me even show you what that looks like. So this right here is our Facebook group. You can see in the top left there, we have almost 6,000 members inside of our Facebook group. And again, we go live multiple times a week. We have some great resources here at the top. These are our featured posts, specific things that you want to know and need to know about getting started, becoming part of our Facebook community, plugging in, all of those sort of good things. And then you can see here that we literally go live. I mainly go live. We have other guests that show up and go live, other educators, other leaders on our team that go live. But we're live in here 5 times a week. This provides you the community and the support that you need, so you can get your questions answered, you can plug in, and you can be surrounded by like-minded, driven people just like you. And when you plug into support like that, when you go and you get support and you have access to all of these things, I can tell you from experience, it's going to dramatically increase your chances, your percentage for success. Versus if you were to get started in, again, I can't speak for all the other opportunities out there, but I know I've been in affiliate and network marketing opportunities where you literally get, dumped into a system, or you just get your members area, and then that's it. You have to literally go figure it all out on your own, not getting support. Maybe you can or can't get a hold of your upline or your sponsor, the person that, brought you in here. The person that literally just earned a commission from you, and now what? You can't even get a hold of them? Well, in our situation, that is drastically unique and different, because you can get a hold of us. We will plug you into our system. We will plug you into our community, and you will have direct access to not only your sponsor, but literally thousands of people inside of our community, again, along with our live weekly training 5 times a week, okay? So this is one of the things that sets the funnel team apart inside of myEcon compared to, again, I can't compare that to all the teams inside of myEcon. I don't know who does what, but I can tell you what we do, and we do it really, really well. And this is one of the main reasons. These real 2 things are some of the main reasons why our team duplicates at the rate that we do. This is why we are, and I've said it in so many of my videos, why we are one of the largest and fastest growing teams inside of myEcon. This is why we're bringing on hundreds and hundreds of new members every single week, because of our live training, because of our community. And that's really what it all boils down to. Yeah, the funnels are cool. Yeah, the funnels convert. Yeah, the app is great. Yeah, we follow up with all your leads for you. We do the email marketing for you. We give you thousands of dollars in free content and training and material and systems and all of those things. But when you boil it all the way down, like, what are the specifics that make this unique? What are the specifics that allow the average everyday person to flourish compared to everything else that's out there? And it's our live training, and it's our community. Those are the 2 things that set us apart from most other businesses out there in the online world. So if you're looking at myEcon as being a viable business and wondering, what's in it for you, will you get support? Will you get what you need? The answer to that is yes. Yes, you will get what you need. Yes, you will get support. Yes, you will be part of an incredible community in an incredible company that's been around for over 20 years and has so much momentum going right now in 2025. Yes, even 20 years later, my friend. This is such an incredible opportunity and timing for you. So if you have any questions for me, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. If you made it to this point in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. If you're ready to get started with myEcon, link in the description down below. Also, other links down there is to my playlist so you can see exactly what we do, how we do it, everything that you get. Obviously, what is on your screen right here. I'll go into full detail and explain all of it so you can see it for yourself. But get started, my friend. You can lock in for literally less than $100, have over $10,000 in free value, proven and documented system that does work. It could be working for you. You could be up and running literally today. So there you have it, my friend. Thank you again for watching. I will see you on the next one. Take care.